All right, how you guys doing? So, looks like you guys have been doing a really good job with the Pythagorean theorem problems that we've done so far. Probably the most challenging part of this unit is that we do have to do some word problems with them. Probably the most common uses of them in the actual world. So I'm just going to do two quick examples with you today, and hopefully that sort of helps you out. First one says the foot of a ladder is placed 6 feet from a wall. If the top of the ladder rests 8 feet up the wall, how long is the ladder? So this probably seems a little confusing when you first read it. The key is going to be to draw a picture of what they have. Now you don't have to be a good artist, and as you'll see in a second, I'm pretty bad at it. But you just got to get a general idea of the picture so you can figure out what you have to do to apply the Pythagorean theorem. So it says that we have a ladder that's placed against a wall. So this is going to be my wall. And I'm going to place a ladder against the wall. Here's my ladder. The foot of the ladder is 6 feet from the wall. So the foot is the bottom part of the ladder. It's going to be 6 feet from the wall. So this is 6 feet. If the top of the ladder is 8 feet up the wall, so that means from here to here is going to be 8 feet. We can put a little right angle in, and they want to know how long the ladder is. That's this piece right here, which is x. So once you have your picture drawn, as you can tell, this is just the Pythagorean theorem like we've been doing. This would be our A, this would be our B, and this would be our C. So I will quickly do that. We're going to have 6 squared plus 8 squared equals x squared. 6 squared is 36. 8 squared is 64. That equals x squared. 36 and 64 is going to add to 100. And then to finish off, I'm going to take the square root, and I'm going to get that 10 feet is equal to x. So in this example, our ladder is 10 feet tall. All right. One more example. I'll get you out of here. This one says a rectangular TV has a diagonal of 52 inches. Quick little fact, when they tell you that you have a 52-inch TV, that means that your diagonal is 52 inches. Not how high it is or how wide it is, but actually the diagonal of it. So if we have a TV, diagonal 52 inches and a width of 21 inches, what is the height? So if I draw a little picture here, I know I have a rectangular TV. Again, my drawing is far from perfect. The diagonal is 52 inches. That's this piece right here. The width is 21 inches. That's going to be here. And this is the height. This is what I'm looking for. So now I've got a triangle that I can do the Pythagorean theorem. I know because it's a rectangle that I have a right angle here in the corner. So this would be my A, this would be my B, and this would be my C. So I'm going to do A squared plus B squared equals C squared. My A here is going to be x. My B is 21. And my C is 52. So I have x squared plus 21 squared equals 52 squared. So x squared plus 21 squared, you can put that in your calculator if you need some help with that. That's going to be 441 equals 52 squared, which will be 2,704. Now I'm going to solve that just like I would any normal Pythagorean theorem problem or any equation. I'm going to take 441 away on both sides. So I get x squared equals 2,704 minus 441, which will give me 2,263. And to finish off, I'm going to take the square root of both sides. So when I take the square root of 2,263, I get approximately 47.6 inches, which should be my height of my TV. All right, hopefully that made sense to you guys. Let me know if you have questions. This is probably the last thing we're gonna do in this unit, so we'll be looking to take a quiz on this sometime next week. All right, take care.